My New Friend is So Fun by Mo Willems.
Hi Gerald. Hi Snake. Have you seen Piggie? Piggie just met Brian Bat for the first time. Now they are playing. Fun! Brian Bat is nice. I know. Brian is my best friend. Piggie is my best friend. Both Piggie and Brian are so nice. They must be having a really fun time. Yeah! They must be having a super fun time. Yeah! They must be having a super duper fun time. Yeah! They must be having a... Oh no! What if they are having too much fun? How can they have too much fun? They could be having more fun than they have with us. More fun? Much more fun. Much more fun? If they are having that much fun together, then maybe they do not need us. I don't want to lose my best friend. I don't want to lose my best friend. We must do something. We must tell them to stop having fun. Piggie! Brian! Oh, hi Gerald. Hi Snake. Piggie, Brian. We have to tell you something. So do we. You do? We have to tell you how much fun we are having. So much fun! We have been playing best friend games. Best friend games? It's best friend fun. Best friend fun? We even made best friend drawings. Best friend drawings? It is worse than we feared. We are doomed. Do you want to see our drawings? I must cover my eyes. I cannot cover my eyes. Ta-da! Oh, you made drawing of us! Of course! You are our best friends. What did you have to tell us? Have fun with your new friend. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!